Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you guys how you can render your Roblox avatar really easily. Every single software we're going to be using will be free, so no need for Photoshop or anything. Now the first step is I want you guys to head over to gfxcomment.com because right here we're going to grab our starter pack, and basically this will contain the R15 rig and the design pack, which is going to be important for us to use. So over here just put 0. Alright, here we are inside Studio. I'm going to use this plugin called Load Characters by Already Pro. And right here I'm just going to type my own character and we're going to hit R15. Right here this will spawn our avatar. I can't move. Alright, so right here is our character. And we're going to right click and hit export selection, and next we're gonna head over to Blender. So I'm gonna see you guys there. Alright, so once you guys are in here, we're going to go to file, open. We're going to open the Roblox R15 rig that we installed earlier from the starter pack. So I'm gonna hit open, and here we are. We have a purple character which we're going to fix. To start, we're going to go into texture view up here. As you can see, we have some basic lighting here. Anyways, just click on the rig and we're going to go up to shading right here. And for the texture, we're going to hit open. And you're going to look for where you saved the model. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to hit open. And let's go take a look at our character. This is what we have right here. Let's go for file. Let's go import. And let's go for object. Import our object file. Change this to split by group right here. We're gonna hit import, and as you can see we have our hats. You can hit G to move your character. I'm going to hold shift and click on all of these to delete. X. There we go. We're gonna take all of this and move these to our rig like so, just like that. And we can go into render up here and click on the environment or world. I'm gonna go for sunrise. I'm going to delete this dome that we have, and this is what we have so far. Now this scene already has a camera, so if you hit 0 on your number pad, this will enter into the camera, as you can see. And we're gonna try and position this camera. It will render within this area. Right here there are already a bunch of stuff set up. Just hit F12 on your keyboard and this will start the render, and just go to image and hit save. Alright, lastly we're gonna head over to photopea.com. So we're gonna go for new project. We're gonna go for 1000 by 1000 right here, and DPI 300. Let's hit create right here, and we're gonna go to file. Let's go for open and place. And as you can see, here is our character. We can resize just like so, make this look a bit nicer. And with our background, we're gonna go right click and hit duplicate layer, right click, blending options up here, and we're just gonna go for a gradient overlay. As you can see, right here you can set any color you want. I'm gonna go for a nice dark blue, something interesting like this, perhaps just a bit darker. I kind of like this. I'm gonna go okay, reverse, change the angle, just like so. And with our character, we can right click, hit blending options as well. Let's go for inner shadow. Let's make the color white. Mode, adjust the settings. We have a nice little outline here. Maybe overlay, something like this. All right, so I'm just going to open the design pack that we got earlier, and right here we have some effects we could use, like this. Drag and drop onto our canvas. I'm just gonna erase this real quick. All right, if we hit Control U, we can change the color, just like so. Nice. All right, and that is basically how you guys can create your own character rendered profile pictures. It's very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.